What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we start, know that this is not a financial advice. You can do whatever you choose to with your own money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee in my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Kaspa. Okay, I don't want to make this video long, so let's go straight to the point. Let's start with the price of Kaspa. Yesterday, like I told you guys, we were forming this inverse head and shoulders, right? Well, we were forming that, and I know most people were calling for a cup and handle, which is I don't know how they see it, but I was telling you guys we were forming this inverse head and shoulder. When I zoom in, you can see it. We were being suppressed by the ribbon and by the 200 EMA. And I remember I told you guys, like, well, we need to go above 13 cents. Okay, above 13 cents, break that resistance. That will confirm the target of this invert on head and shoulders to be around probably 17 or 18 cents. Depends on how you draw your lines, right? So on the shorter period, when you look at it, on the 4 hours, you can see we are forming this bull flag. And the bull flag is respecting this support line of that shoulder that we are forming. Okay, so that means we only have a couple hours and this thing will bounce back up. Probably try again to go to 12 cents and then try to take over that 13 cents. When you go on a lower time frame, like the 1 hour, you can see that right there. We are being supported by the 200 EMA and also being supported by the upwards support of that left of that shoulder that we are forming right now. So that being said, I told you guys that was a perfect entry. Okay, you could enter yesterday when the price was like around 11.4. I thought it was 11.4 or 11.3 thereabout. That's where it was yesterday. You could enter if you're leverage trading, for example, right? Which I don't condone. Listen, if you do not know how to leverage trade, if you don't know what you're doing, please stay away from leverage trading. Okay, because leverage trading is a fast way for you to lose your money. Very fast. But if you know what you are doing and you're confident enough, down below I have my affiliate links for Phemex and Bydfi. Okay, those two exchanges. Bydfi, for example, is giving out $3,000 for every new subscriber. The same goes to Phemex. Phemex also has some juicy rewards for new subscribers. But again, if you do not know what you are doing, please do not leverage trade. Only for those that know what they're doing. You sign up, you can either follow me on my trades, or you can copy me on my trades, or you can copy somebody else. All right, that is another way you can also do it. But please, again, like I said, it's not a financial advice. Do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing. Now, talking about my trades, going back here on my Bydfi account, like I told you guys, I took that entry. Okay, after taking that entry yesterday, look at that right there. I'm still up. Okay, I'm up 6%, which is a nice juicy pump. Like I said, we have that resistance to break, and I believe we are going to go up soon. Like we are going to retest that 12-13 cents mark, break it with full force, and then climb up there to 17-18 cents. So again, let's see. Also, this is my Phemex position that I took. As you can see, I'm still up 39%, and it's also doing pretty good. Okay, it is doing pretty good. Actually, it's doing better than most people thought. Okay, because like when you look at the price action and you see where everything is going, and you get that position there, it has a feeling, you have a good feeling you're making your money out of it. You're making your money better than just sitting there doing nothing about it. Okay, so let's look at the numbers. Since yesterday, like I said, yesterday it was a very eventful day with the prices going up, with the Bitcoin trying to break out, and everything else. There was so much going on in the market yesterday. So the numbers right now, we are sitting at 11.9 cents, almost 12 cents. Like I said, we got to break that 12 cents and surpass the 13 cents mark for us to go hit that target of 17 or 18 cents, right? We have to do that. And then you look again, the hash rate. We are all up to like 242 petahashes. One thing with the hash rate, okay? One very good thing with the hash rate that people don't tell you, and maybe a lot of people don't know. Before the price moves, the hash rate usually shoots up first. Okay, once the hash rate goes up, price usually follow. Price usually play catch up with the hash rate. Right? Most people don't know about it, but okay. Let me show you what I mean by that. See, this right here is the chart with the hash rate, right? The blue line is the hash rate, and the white line is the chart. Notice something? The hash rate usually go up first, then the price follows. Like right now, you can see we are all 242, but the price is below the hash rate. Very soon you are going to see it cross and play catch up with it. Play catch up with the hash rate, thereby increasing your holdings, the value of your holdings. So that's another way people usually look. When you see the hash rates going up, people start piling up on coins. That's another way to do it. But for me, it's just a second indicator that helps me to determine if I want to get a leverage position or if I want to buy more for my spot position, things like that. So right now, you look at that also. We look at the Ross migration is going on, and the speed, man, the speed of transactions. Like these people live up to their word. What they said. They said they are going to keep 10 BPS, and that's exactly what we are seeing. Okay, the Ross migration is going on. The transaction speed is like out of this world. No any other crypto does that. Only Kaspa, the king of the jungle, has 10 BPS happening just like nothing else. See, look at that. 0.99, 0.91. So it goes up and down. If I refresh the page, you will see it. 0.9, almost 10. Sometimes it will go like 10.2. It goes up and down. Okay, looking at the number of addresses, you can see anybody holding 10,000 and above, it went down a little bit, which is understandable. The price pumped. There are some people that feel like, 12 cents is a lot, it's enough money for them, and they want to take profit. There is nothing wrong with taking profits. Okay, there is absolutely nothing wrong with taking profits. If you feel like 12 cents is enough money for you, okay, you can go ahead and take profits and close the trade, or your leverage trade, or your spot trade, or however you're doing it. Okay, I apologize for my noise. It's like, again, I am mining Kaspa. Like I said, I'm a Kaspa Maxi, so I mine my Kaspa. These are my 10K Zero Pros. These are my 10K Zero Pros. They are running all overclocked. So yeah, I do my Kaspa. So that's the noise you are listening, hearing behind. I apologize for that. So that being said, let's go forward. Okay, we see the number of addresses kind of dropped, or anybody holding 10,000 or more dropped a little bit, because, like I said, people are taking profits. People are getting out of the positions. Like maybe they think it's enough money for them, which, hey, is good. That's how the market moves, right? Those same people selling right now, once they see price start to pump a little, they're gonna want to buy some more, and then push get the price to go even higher. Plus the help of the bulls, who are always doing their thing. It's normal. So Look at that. Look again. Those two big addresses with more than 100 million. Again, I can't stop stressing it out. I think those two addresses are Binance and Coinbase. I think those are the people accumulating and accumulating so that they will very soon they will start listing Kaspa on the spot market. I think they are waiting for Kaspa to completely how do I say, completely go over the Rust language. Once that is completed, you will see it. And talking about that transaction, I can't even talk right now. Talking about that migration, look at that. Yesterday, we had the Rust language at 15 or 20%. Okay, the nodes that have migrated were at 15 or 20%. Today, look at that. We at 56%, more than half. That tells you, I thought like this migration was going to take us probably 3 weeks to a month, but I guess it is moving at the speed of light. Because like, look at that. When I take you to this page, look at this. Yesterday we were somewhere here. I think it was. That's where we were yesterday. That's where we was at 15%. Today we have 56%. So you should get ready for that, man. Get ready for that. Because that being said, like I'm telling you guys, what will happen once this migration is complete, you will see the Binance listings, you will see Coinbase listings, and you will see all that. So hash rate is always followed by price. Okay? And hash rate is always also the mining difficulty goes up. And the reason for the mining difficulty, the reason why mining difficulty is important is because we get more secure at the higher difficulty, right? That's why I keep saying like Bitcoin compared to Kaspa is nothing, because Kaspa has everything Bitcoin has, but Kaspa has more than Bitcoin. That's why I believe Kaspa is way better than Bitcoin. Okay, so most people will argue that with me, which is okay. Everybody's entitled for an opinion. I just like to show you why I think Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. So far, I haven't seen anybody telling me why Bitcoin is better than Kaspa. I haven't seen it yet. Everybody else, I guess, since they bought it at the lowest, they think it's better. But nobody can stand that argument. They can't even hold that argument with you. Okay. Now let's go to the news. To the news side of it. That's why I'm so bullish, so bullish with Kaspa. You know. Because like we know what is going to happen in a couple of months, right? We know what is going to happen in a couple of months. So let's go look for Kaspa. Here. There you go. Look at that. Just a couple hours ago, when you read this tweet that they put out a couple hours ago, that tells me that things are moving faster, way faster than anybody anticipated. So this tweet right here is explaining, it's telling you like initially focus only on pushing the boundaries of nodes performance to the absolute limit. RK, which is Rusty Kaspa, has shifted better plan and execute its architecture, making integration with ecosystem developers. You understand where they're going with this? It means, oh my God. It means smart contracts are about to get deployed. That's what it means. Smart contracts are about to get deployed. And once smart contract get deployed, the Kaspa price, even without the layer 1 listing, even without Coinbase or Binance, the price will jump. Simply because the transactions on the Kaspa chain are going to go insane. They are going to go insane. It means with the smart contracts, we are going to have stable coins being built on Kaspa. We're going to have meme coins, probably Jonathan meme coin is going to come up. Trust me on that. And then we are going to have DeFi. We are going to have projects. You know, the ecosystem will start to blow up. That is exactly what they mean by that. So I said it yesterday. I believe this is the last time you will see Kaspa this cheap. This is the last time. I don't think there is going to be any other time. Even in the upcoming bear market after this bull run, I don't think Kaspa will drop that low anymore. I don't think so. You call me a Kaspa maxi, that's okay. It's okay by me. If you, because hey, yeah, I am a Kaspa maxi. I think Kaspa is better than Bitcoin. You can't even compare it to that shit coin they call Solana. Solana is a scam. So, yeah, that is a topic for another day. But yes, it's being said, people don't realize the importance of that, of those smart contracts. You don't realize it. But as soon as you start to read more and you start to understand the reason why the smart contracts are like very, very detrimental, okay, for Kaspa. When you start to do that, then you will understand that we really need that, okay? So like you said, the Kaspa node, okay, Rusty Kaspa, this is not just for the speed. It's not just for the speed. This is being launched because it will help to handle the volume, the sheer volume of transactions that is going to happen on the Kaspa chain. That is the reason why. Now, if you can handle those high volumes, you don't crash like Solana always does, okay? You have this ecosystem being built, and then I can guarantee you that there are a lot of projects that are going to switch ships once smart contracts are launched on Kaspa. I can tell you that there's going to be a lot of them that are going to jump boats. You know, they are going to go from where they are, probably from Ethereum to Kaspa, from Solana or from wherever they are to Kaspa, because Kaspa is going to make them faster, it's going to make them smooth sailing for their operations or whatever they are doing. Okay, so that being said, again, this is not a financial advice. Okay, Kaspa is a sleeping giant. Don't miss out, man. Don't miss out. Like I always say, if you know, you know. Because this wealth transfer that is happening right now, only a few will benefit from it. And if you want to benefit from it, it's now that you're supposed to get in. Because I said it, this run, I see Kaspa at $10. Call me crazy, but I think Kaspa is going to be at $10, which will put it probably at 150 to anything between 150 to $300 billion market cap. You'll see. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, turn your notifications on, and leave me a comment. What do you think about this particular subject? Until then, see you in my next one. Bye bye.